Right, welcome. Today's tutorial is a HUD tutorial. We'll make a tutorial there we'll have some health, mana, XP, level and stuff and make it all work, hopefully. Right, let's get started here. I just rename this and get it on top there, change the color so we know it's our folder in our blueprints. This is of course a third person template, nothing just opened. So we make a new folder, call it widgets. We'll add a widget blueprint, call it main HUD, maybe, whatever. And let's see here. There we go. So what we want is we want some progress bars for example, health stuff. Let's see, let's make those anchored to the left here, and let's make them 300 times 400 times 30 example. There we go, and we can just copy this and paste. So we want health, mana, and XP, so we copy it 3 times, paste it 3 times. Let's call this health bar, call this mana bar, or whatever. If you want energy, or yeah, XP bar. Right, so move our mana bar up here, XP bar. I think in like, RPGs it's down here. Make this like, yeah, 1220. Anchor that one little down here. Let's see, yeah, something like that. Not gonna make anything look nice, just gonna make it work. And for our health bar, we want something red. Let's do full red here. And mana, yeah, it's okay. This we want, let's say green. That, and to check it, we can do the percentage here in progress just to see. Yeah, it's okay. Right. So just save this, and we have to go into our third person character and set up some variables. So first off, we need something called current health. That has to be let's do float. And we can add it into category player stats, for example, whatever. And we'll make a new one. You can just copy this with the Control W, so then you will get it into the same category. Make this max health. Control W, and we have current. Oh, current mana. Copy. Duplicate, it's called. And max mana. Do this for current EXP. Copy, duplicate, and max EXP. And we need a integer for level. Integer, there we go. Right. So to start off here, we will just make the max health. We could do 0 to 1. 1 is 100%. That way it's easier to make the logic, but if you want it to be like 0 to 100 in health, and if you level up you get 20 more health, it's probably easier to do it in whole numbers. So we do 100. We'll try that. Max mana 100. And let's see, current XP is 0. Max XP, let's say 100. So when you get up to 100 XP, you will go to level 2. You'll make some logic for all of that later. So we can do this real easy here in event graph. Let's just move. Let's do a comment here. Call this default template or something just to have categorized. Let's do that. Let's make it something like that, and we can work away from that. So what we will needing here is we need to, let's just do it on event begin, I think, begin play. And we will have to get set those. So right now, if we start, you have 0 health and you're dead. So we need to, on startup, we need to set current health to max health. We need to set current mana to max mana. And current XP 0. So XP is 100. Level is, yeah, that has to start on 1, of course. So that's it. So if I go into my main HUD again, and let's see here. Take our health bar, and we will fill color and opacity. It's that one. Oh, it's not percentage. Here we go. Progress, percentage. We want to create binding. Here we will cast to third person character. Can get character. From here we need to get the health. Get current health, and we need to get max health. And we need to divide this. Divide it. There. I think. Let's see. Yeah, of course. Sorry. Of course, I need to. Let's do a sequence here. To get the sequence, just press S and mouse, left mouse. Or type sequence. Whatever. First thing we need to do before we do that is create a widget. And that's our main HUD. And to add to viewport. There we go. Now it should work. Yeah, got full health. Right. Maybe need to do some more math here since I did 0 to 100 instead of 0 to 1. Should be okay, I think. by doing while doing tutorials. Really nice. Right, finish with that one. Let's go back to designer, do the same for the mana, create a binding. Yeah, we can rename this to health bar percent. This, did I do the XP bar? Shit. Let's see here. Yeah, it's just, yeah, I have to. Let's just rename those mana bar. One is XP. There we go. Oh, let's change it down there. Now it's a-okay. So this is the mana bar percent. Basically, we just do the same as we did here. Just copy this. But we have to do get current mana, get max mana. Oh, sorry. Divide. Float divided by float to the return value and return node. There we go. Then we have the XP bar. Create a binding. Rename this to XP bar percent. Do the same. Get your cast to third person character. Get current EXP. Get max XP. Divide current with the max. Should get everything working here. Let's see. I got full mana and full health and no XP. Right. Go. We have to make some logic here. Let's go into our project settings and our input here. We'll make some action mappings. Let's add gain XP, for example. We'll put that to the X. So when we press X, we will get some XP. And yeah. Yeah, we can start with that. So back here, make, did I call it? Call it gain XP, of course. Gain XP. Press that. Take our current XP and could make a variable with the amount that you get, but we will just add manually, so we can get the current XP, and we will plus add into here. Let's see, we get 33 XP each time we press. There we go. And make a branch, because we have to check if when we reach 100 XP, we want to level up. So make a variable, or will we? Let's see here. Yeah, if our current, see some logic here, if our current XP is higher or equal to max XP, we will set our level to our level plus 1. Yeah, okay, that's, yeah, we can do it easier so you can see it. Just a plus int. So we'll, if our current XP is equal or max, higher or equal to max XP, we will gain 1 level. And then we will have to set our current XP to, let's see if we get our XP, max XP is 100, and if we like get, let's see, 120 on that last gain, we will want to carry those over to the XP on the next level, of course. We don't just want to delete the XP that is left over. So we'll have to do get current XP and get max XP. Let's check this. So if my current XP is 150 and the max XP is 100, we want to subtract, of course. There. And we also want to set our max XP is max XP. So here we can set our new cap for the XP for the next level. We could just do like each level you have to get 25 more XP, or we can multiply it. So we will just do it easy right now. We want to add 25, for example. Oh, there we go. Right. I'm not sure if this will work, but we will check it out. So in our HUD here, we have to do something. We have to have some level. So let's add some text here. Just call this 12. Center it. And we will anchor it down to the left. So we got our XP here. But we have to bind this. So we'll create a binding on the text. Call this level text. And we have to cast to third person character, get player character, and just get level. Just put it in here. Just need to show the level. So there we go. We got no XP. Let's try it. Pressing X. Got 33, 66, 99. So if I press one more time now, I should level up to 2 and have 32. Yeah, it's working. It's working. It saves the leftover XP. Yeah. And the more you level up, yeah. Right. So of course I said now I'm just adding 25 XP. What we could do here is like multiply. So each time you level up, you have to have 1.25 more XP. Then, of course, you will have to get a lot more XP for each level. So we can try that. Let's make this a bit bigger. Right. So if I level up here, I'll be needing a lot more XP after a while. Yeah. Now you see I have to press really many times before it actually levels up. Yeah. So there we go. We got the working XP system and level system. We could also add some text so it actually shows XP here. Let's make this a bit fatter. Let's do 40 just to show it, and we'll add some text there, text there, and some text there. Let's call this current exp. Call this max exp. Here I will just have a slash, so just call it slash. And here we'll just do like this. We will center it, make it smaller, and we want all of this, mark all three, and anchor it to the bottom center, and then we can put this there, there. That we can make it a bit like this. So the thing is, you want this text to be as it is, like just aligned to the left, and you want this aligned to the right, like that. Let's move it down a bit. Right, so you want to bind this text to create binding. Just rename this to exp current. Wow, current exp text, and we just want to get the value of that. So cast to third person character, get player character, and get current exp. This we just want to show, so we just put it there. It will do a to text. And need to do the same for this one. But we have to create, let's rename that to max exp text. So you do whatever you want for the names here. Just do it like that so I know what it is for later. Yep. So cast to third person character, get player character, get max exp. Let's do this. Right. So it should show now, I guess. Yeah, 0 of 100, 33, 66, 99. Now we multiply the max XP by 1.25, so it's 125. But yeah, we get an issue here when we do floats and multiplying. We get decimals. But you can do several things to fix this. You can just use, instead of multiplying by 125, you can add and just do 25 or 50, or you can make some logic that you actually add 25 the first time, 30 the second time, 40 after that. So yeah, so this is a bit stupid. I could also round it up, but then it's not really a good system. You lose, like if you level 10 times, you actually lost like 40 XP in the while you're doing it. So I think we will, instead of multiplying here, we will make a variable, maybe. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing now, but let's do this. EXP gain, and we will, yeah, just do both it up to there, and we will have this standard value at, let's say, 25. And then we will max XP plus, we'll take this XP gain, put it here. So now you will get 25 XP for each time you level up, but we want to increase it for each level. So let's see, we want to, for each level, yeah, we want to, that's the problem right there. Yeah. Let's take 20. For each level, we want to set our gain with XP gain. Just do plus 5. Right? Down here. So each time we level up here, it will add 5. So the first one here is 20, but it will be 25. And the next one will be 30. Guess. Let's print this. We will see. Actually types out here. Right. So first time it will be 125, 55. So that's 25, 55. That's 20, 90, 30, 75. So it's 45. Yeah, that's a lot better. It will increase each time. Yeah, for example, you can do whatever. It doesn't really matter. Right. So basically, easy XP system with level. Okay, so let's check our health stuff. For that, I will actually I'll make an actor that we'll call damage sphere, for example. Just open that and we will add a sphere. That. And we will add on that sphere, just add a sphere collision. Let's see. We'll make it big so we can enter it. There we go. And as I said, it's just really easy. I'm just gonna make it quite rudimentary here. So we will just take our sphere collider here and on component begin overlap. We will cast to third person character and we will set health, current health, of course. We'll make a variable here called damage amount. Let's make that a float. Let's compile and we'll make it 25. So get 25 damage. Take damage amount and we will get current health. What we will do, we'll just take the current health of the player and subtract this damage amount. And then set our new health. There. That's it. So if you just put it here, press play. Yep. Get damage. Yeah. Really easy way to do it. Of course, there's a million ways to do this better, but it works. So for a single player game, this is a really easy way. Right, let's just close those back in our main here. So we got health working, XP, the level, and the mana. How should we do that? Could, for example, just to do it easy, each time you jump, you use mana, for example. Yeah. Let's open up our third person template. We'll get our jump here. Just move it. Let's move it here. Just. Can I delete it? There we go. Thank you. So for jumping, we'll have to do some checks here. So if we want to jump, we first have to have mana. So we do a branch. We have to check if our current mana, where is it? There it is. Get. We have to check if this is higher or equal to, and let's say it costs 25 mana to jump. So if it's higher or equal to that, you can jump. And if he jumps, we have to set the mana, and we take set current mana. Got to get our current mana and subtract 25. That. Let's move this up. Let's see if it could be that simple. I'm not sure. Yeah, I lose mana. I lose mana. I lose mana. And I lose mana. And I should not be able to jump now. And I can't. So, yeah. There we go. Working HUD. So, let's recap. Got XP working. Got damage each time we walk into this one. And we lose mana when we jump. Of course, if you're making a real game, you will make skills like fireballs or whatever to use mana. And yeah, we can do the last thing here, regeneration. Or yeah, if you want to use potions to get back your health or mana. But we can show it real quick. If you want to do some regeneration, I'm going to use a tick. I will not advise it, but problem with tick, it executes each frame, and if you put too much stuff in this, it will really, yeah, you will get poor performance. So we'll just get our current health and check. See branch. So if the current health is less than max health, so it will only regenerate if you are missing some health, of course. It will do something. Let's see. So if it's less than your max health, you want to set our current health to current health plus, we want to do something like 0.01 maybe. It's maybe too high. And it will do this for each second. So let's do a delay. Each second until it's not less than max health. So we will do just a loop here into there. So what we'll do then, we'll just this and that. This. Let's try it out. Like this, it says, yeah, it goes up. Real slow. Yeah. So there you got regeneration, and hopefully it will stop. It's, let's put this down to 1.1, and we will print our health in here so you can see. Goes a bit over, but it's okay. Yeah, we want to actually print before our delay here, so we get better view. There we go. Yeah, so a bit over 100. When you go down, you can do it twice, three times. It will go up, and we will stop. So one way you can do it is make a new branch here and just make some logic for that stuff. So if current health is higher, max health, we set current health to max health. So let's try this one. Not sure if it's gonna work, but we could try. So it should. Crap. Yeah, of course. Okay. We need to take this, remove it, and of course put it for this delay. Let's see if this works. Not sure. not. Yeah, it's 100. So we need to do a pulse here and put that in there as well. Then it should be a-okay. There we go. 100. Oh, yeah. So basically, we just checks when it's over. If it goes over 100, it will set it to 100 or set it to the max. So yeah, there we go. I'm not gonna do this regeneration for the mana. It's just the same, So just duplicate, and there we go. We got some simple HUD. We had an XP system, level system, health, and the mana. So thanks for watching, and yeah, leave comments, or if you have a better way. I think like 90% of those who are watching this have a better way of doing this, but this is how I do it. And yeah, thanks for watching.